In today's video, I'll show you how to create a creative opening where angled brush strokes sweep across the screen and reveal your video in a stylish and artistic way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro, so the brush motion feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Slanted Brush, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, diagonal brush strokes move across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a bold and creative feel. Use the duration slider to control how fast the brush strokes move. Shorter duration creates a sharp and energetic reveal. Longer duration slows the motion, making it smoother and more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the brush movement flows naturally with your footage or music. And that's it. You've successfully added a slanted brush reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.